Hi, readers. It's Foundations time. Let's do our warm up, okay? Repeat after me. B, b, d, d, e, ed, e, I, ich, I, j, j, u, a, wh, whistle, th, thumb, ong, song, ong. Nice job. And now we know all of our R control to practice. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, UR, burn, Great job. Okay, my friends, it is trick word time. We will be learning 3 new trick words today. Are you ready? Okay, listen to this sentence. Invite her over here. Can you say that? Invite her over here. Okay, watch me do the sentence frames. I'm going to start with an uppercase. I'm going to put this up here just to remind me. You might have learned this in your classroom that a sentence starts with an uppercase and ends with a period. So here's our sentence. Invite her over here. And I'll put my period here as well. Can you see those okay? Let me bring you a little bit closer. Okay. I'm going to circle this word right here. This is the word, well, I suppose I should write it on, shouldn't I? Capital I, invite her over, this was a trick word from last week, here. And there's my period. Okay. So what word did I circle? Say it louder. Her. Yes. And this is a new trick word. And we also kind of know it from our R controls. ER, her, er. Take a look at that word, her. What makes it tricky? The H does say, but the ER, if you didn't know it says that would be a tricky word. Once you know ER, her, you're going to know this word, which we're learning right now. Now, take a look. What if I circle this one? What's that, Baby Echo? Oh, I said this was a trick word last week, but Baby Echo's saying I'm wrong. This is one of our new ones. Do you know what this says? Over. That's right. Let me write over up here. Huh. Which parts do you think are tricky about over? O usually says ah, but it says O. V usually says v, o, v, v, v. And then that ER that says again. Over. Okay. Very nice, everybody. Let's change this sentence. Here's the next sentence. 2 is my favorite number. Okay, here come the frames. An uppercase, 2, and that's the number 2, so it's TWO. 2 is my favorite number. And of course, we end with our punctuation, our period. 2 is my favorite number. I'm going to circle this word right here. Who can tell me what this word says? Very good. This word says number. Let me add that up here. Number. Why do you think this one's a trick word? The N-U-M, that's a part we could tap out, right? Numb. Even the B. Numb. Number. It's still that ER that's tricky until we really know that ER says Very good. So here are our 3 new trick words. Let's read them. Ready? Her, over, number. Great reading. Are you ready to write them? Okay, me too. So to write them, we need to stand up and get ready to skywrite it. Let's do her first. Okay, here we go. Arms out. H E R. Her. Now take your finger and on any hard surface, you're going to write it right on like a table like this. H-E-R. Her. Okay. Let's try the next one. Over. Arms out. Spell it with me and skywrite it. O-V-E-R. Over. O-V-E-R. Over. Okay, and last but not least, what was this word? Number. Here we go. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. Okay, next you need to add all 3 of these to your trick word section. Okay, so go to your trick words, trick words, trick words, trick words. And for the H, you need to go to the part that starts with the letter H and add her. Then you need to do what letter for over? O, and N for number. Pause here and add all 3 words to your notebook. Okay, you added them all to your notebook because your teacher will check whenever she gets a chance. All right, last thing that we're going to do today is some dictation on our whiteboards. So go ahead and grab your sleeve that has your whiteboard in it and your marker, and we'll get started. Okay, repeat after me. Grass. Is there a blend in this word? There is. Let's tap out grass. G, a, s. Spell it. G, R, a, s. Pause the video and take your time writing it on your whiteboard, writing grass. Okay, if you're back, you said there was a blend. Can you mark the blend? You ready to see mine? Here's the blend. It's at the beginning. Grr, like growl, green, grow, great, grass. Did you remember the extra S? It's a bonus letter. Good. Okay, repeat after me. Don't erase. Just go down to the next line. Ranch. Tap it. And spell it with me. Is R A N C H. Pause here to write ranch. You're back so soon. Did you finish writing ranch? Okay, is there a blend in this word? What is it? Mark it. It's a digraph blend, that's right. Okay, check yours to mine. Let's tap out what I did and make sure I'm right. ranch. Do you like ranch dressing? I do. Okay, one more word. Repeat after me. Milk. Elbows up. Milk. Spell it. M O. What letter? K. Think closely about which letter it'll be at the end with the K. Pause here to write milk. Okay, if you're back, is there a blend in milk? Yes, there is. What is it? Mark it. Ready? How did you do? If you wrote this, how come you're wrong? CK is only when it's right after the vowel. Since we have an L in here, it can't be like that. And why isn't it a C? Well, when you hear K at the end of a blend, it's usually a K. When you hear K at the beginning of a blend, like crunch, then it's usually a C. Okay, let's read these words. Grass, ranch, milk. Read them again until they're smooth, and then erase them away. Grass, ranch, milk. Okay, you should have a nice clean board, and we will do one sentence. Repeat after me. Jill will munch on her plum. Jill will munch on her plum. I'm going to put some sentence frames up here for you. Jill will munch on her plum. Okay, why don't you pause here and work on that sentence? If you're back, I wonder if it's because you're stuck or because you're finished. So I'm going to slowly finish mine and you can start to check. Actually, wait, don't look yet. I want you to check your own work first. Can you check that you started with an uppercase and ended with a punctuation, a period? If you didn't, fix it. Okay, next. Can you check and make sure you have a bonus letter in 2 words? What 2 words are they? Don't look. Okay, I'll show you. You should have bonus letters in Jill and Will. Pause here if you need more time to fix that. Okay, now you should have 2 words with blends. One's a digraph blend and one's just a consonant blend. Can you find them? Point to them. Munch and plum. Okay, check out your whole sentence. How did you do? Do you need to pause and fix anything? What does this mean? Jill will munch on her plum. Show me. Yeah, munch is to chew or eat. What's a plum? What color is it? What is it the size of? Like an apple, a purple little apple. What shape is it? A sphere. It's round. Okay, let's scoop this and read it together. Jill will munch on her plum. Jill will munch on her plum. Oh, you have fun with that, Jill. I hope it's delicious. All right, everyone, please make sure you always need to erase your boards at the end of the lesson or else the marker will get stuck on your boards. Okay, so be responsible, wipe it down, clean it right up, and I'll see you next time.